Hey there, how we doing? This watch we're taking a look at a Seiko Presage. This one's kind of special, kind of out of left field a little bit for me here. Um, this one kind of popped up. I really wasn't keeping an eye that it was coming out. You got the two booklets in there as usual. This is a new Sharp Edge series, and it's done slightly different than the Sharp Edge. It's kind of like a mix of the Sharp Edge if it was in the Laurel kind of family of Seiko. So it's a Presage, but it's got a little bit more going on here, a little different. Let's take a look at the dial and see if I could get that for you so you can see a little clearer. This is the SPB413, and you can see the case there and the leather strap. So now this leather strap, you got the three-fold clasp with the push button release. The leather material is sourced from LWG certified tanneries, and this watch is limited to 2,000 pieces worldwide. And this one is part of the 110th anniversary of Seiko wristwatches. Yes, Seiko is 140 years old, but they're celebrating 110 years of specifically wrist watches this year. So there you got the display case. You got the beautiful gold in there. Just looks nice. Especially at this price point. This is around 1,050. To have a nice display back there with the gold and a little bit of polishing on there. You know, it's a good looking watch overall. You can see the signature S there. The case on this one feels a little different than the usual Sharp Edge 2. This one kind of gives a little bit of a nod. The way they designed it and polished it gives a nod to King Seiko slightly. It's kind of got that King Seiko vibe because every time I'm moving it, the shiny surfaces kind of get back at you, and then you see some of the matte surfaces too. And the main difference with this, Sharp Edge watch is that it doesn't have that high gloss enamel that you find on the high gloss finish, I should say, on the Sharp Edge series. This one's really, really matte. It's really smooth. It is the same Sharp Edge. It's got the ancient Japanese pattern on it, which is supposed to mean good luck and long life. It's based on the hemp leaf, and you can see that little red dot on the top that kind of plays tribute to the Seiko Laurel, the first wristwatch there. This is, of course, an automatic watch. It is a caliber 6R55, and this one has a 3-day power reserve at 72 hours and is a 24 joules. Here we got the blue second hand in that kind of like bright blue, sapphire blue enamel, and then you got a little bit of lume on the hands here. So this one is, it's dressy, but it's kind of going more towards kind of like a classic watch, I would say, in the design. And this two-tone band is also something kind of new that we're seeing now with some of these new Seikos celebrating the 110th anniversary. We see this two-tone band here in the SPB413 and also in the SFJ009, which isn't really a Seiko Luxe one. It is the extra strap that comes with the SFJ009, and that is a solar chronograph speed timer that goes 1 to 100 second, and we'll take a look at that watch in another video. Here you can see the Sharp Edge pattern in the dial. That's why I'm showing you guys so you can really appreciate it. It's just a nice looking watch overall. It's simple and really classic looking, very clean lines. So this one, you know, really surprised me. I liked it a lot more than I thought I would, because in the pictures, I kind of breezed over it. Like I said earlier, I really wasn't paying attention to this one coming out, and the retail price on this one here in the United States is $1,050. This is a limited edition of 2,000 pieces. Here you can see the lume on that watch. The watch is a 40.2 millimeter watch, and the thickness is 13 millimeters on the guy. But for a dress watch, we got some really good lume here. Taking a look at it. So I'd like to take the time to thank you all for watching the video. I appreciate it. And check us out at DePaulas.com. Have a good one.